His only begotten Son. That whoever believes in him shall not perish but have an everlasting life. John 3:16. Here we go. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. With a beat. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. My God is greater. With a beat. My God is greater. My God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Three different sound effects. First, second, and third. One, two, three, together. And three. Another 5 different sounds effects. First, second, and third, and fourth, and fifth. 5 different sounds effects. Gusto niyo po ba marinig yung mga sir? Listen po. Here we go. Level up. Gusto ko naman po kayo dalhin sa iba't ibang klase ng bansa. Here we go. First, dadalhin ko kayo sa bansang Qatar. Qatar. India. Dadalhin po kayo sa bansang kaibigan po natin to, best friend natin to, China. Here we go. Siyempre, di ba, pahuli ang Pilipinas. Here we go, Philippines. Bye-bye, Coco. USA. Here we go, USA. Hawaii. Luma na po yan. May mas bago po na. Check this out. And last, pinakamuli. Check this out. To God be all the glory. Thank you po.